Hey guys, how are you? Steph Rich Parker here. So I am headed into a walkthrough with a commercial client, a potential commercial client. So they reached out to me saying that they wanted some cleaning service, and to be more specific, they want some fogging treatment as well, fogging disinfectant. So I'm going to do a walkthrough, and I thought it would be fun if you guys tag along with me during my walkthrough. Okay, before walking in, you got to make sure you have a few things: business cards, pen and paper to write down some stuff, but I like to record the walkthrough when I go in there, so that way I don't forget anything or miss anything. I can just go back to my recordings and see exactly what they said. And obviously, because of COVID, you want to make sure you have your mask on. And if you are a lady, you want to freshen up, have your little lip gloss before you walk on in. Okay, so a lot of questions that I get about how to find commercial clients. You can do cold calling, you can do cold emailing. I've done all of those things, but this particular client found me actually because I do a lot of SEO, search engine marketing. So I come up a lot in search when people are looking for commercial cleaning. So that's how I was able to land this walkthrough. So I'm ready, let's go.
All right, this is our main office space that would need cleaning. Eventually, this is going to be turned into a conference room, but it'll have glass walls and doors.
Okay.
That would probably also need to be wiped down, but
Okay.
that's probably a while away.
Okay, no problem.
We have this space here, which nobody really sits these often, but we do like to keep it. There's a trash can in here. You can
So
dust down.
desk wipe down, chairs wipe down, sweep and mop in this area, and then just empty the trash.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. No problem. And you guys have trash bags.
We do.
Okay, perfect.
This is our conference room.
Okay.
Probably just dust, I guess, lightly dust the table. I don't think there's a trash in here, but sweeping, mopping.
Okay, and what about the glass here?
Oh yes, definitely the glass.
Okay.
You can get the fingerprints off of there.
Okay, gotcha.
I don't think there's anything else in here that we need tending to.
Okay.
They pretty much
That
deal with the
sounds
board
pretty
on their own.
Self-explanatory.
Yeah. Our kitchen area.
Yep.
So, microwave, refrigerators, the main important things in the counters.
Yep.
We don't really use a dishwasher, and I kind of get on there and make sure they put their dishes, wash them, and put them
Okay.
in there. But do you guys do that? Would you wash dishes or anything?
Yeah, we
If there
can.
would be anything?
If
Okay.
there were some dishes in the sink, yeah, we can wash them and put them in there.
Okay.
That's fine. And then, so a question about the fridge. So typically, we don't like to throw out food because we don't want to make that decision of what needs to go.
Okay.
So if we can clean it out, can you open it up for me?
It's not terrible in there, but I mean, mostly we keep drinks in there for them, and so we don't. It's not really much room for them to carry food. I mean, they probably do need to get in here and clean that out. But
yeah. So we could definitely clean, obviously, in here. That
okay.
needs to be clean.
Okay.
And then obviously it's okay. And then around those areas right there, that's fine. We just won't throw anything out.
Okay, no
Just to make
problem.
that clear. Yeah.
Okay.
We just don't want to something leave stuff, and it could be importing food.
And generally, I'll do that, and I just throw it away because it's just been in this.
right. Okay.
So the only other thing besides trash is we do have a recycle bin. We have one in the back of our building. It's just ours.
Okay.
Because someone just that bag, whenever it's full, just do that. We have recycle bags also that are underneath the sink.
That's perfectly fine. Okay, that's fine. So inside the fridge, countertops. What about any of this stuff right here? Does any of that
I guess if they can empty the grounds out. Usually that's done in the evening. Somebody can empty out the grounds and rinse that out and just put it back. It's not really much that you leave that alone. I restock the food and stuff, so that's not a big deal. Just I guess wipe that down.
Does anybody use of it?
They do sometimes. They don't clean it out.
Okay.
I don't. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe some initial cleaning, maybe. I don't know.
I think maybe one time if we do, we'll do an initial deep clean.
Okay.
And that can include inside of the oven.
Okay.
But then it'll maybe look at it maybe once a month.
Okay.
Or
Yeah. That'll probably be good.
Yeah. But the microwave probably have to be every day.
Yeah,
Every time. Okay.
Yeah, it's all guys.
Yeah.
Don't really, this is our first bathroom. This is our ladies' room. I'm pretty much the only person that uses it, so it's not too bad. But sweep, mop, trash.
Yep.
Okay.
And you guys have the paper products and all that stuff. Okay, that's all fine. And did you tell me how often you were thinking of having if you became your regular cleaner?
Starting twice a week.
Twice a week, okay.
We may need more. Right now, we've been doing twice a week, but at one point we had so many staff members that twice a week to me wasn't enough.
Got it.
But a lot of people, we lost a lot of people recently.
Yeah.
So
on average, how many people are usually here in the office every day?
Every day, let me see, it's about 7 guys. Now me. Right now, probably just about 8 under 10 because we lost a lot of people within the last month or 2.
Okay.
So,
gotcha.
Yeah. So this area, vacuum, there's a trash can in there, and the light, just the light switches, and there is a phone in here that they would be shared.
Okay.
The hallways here. We do.
Okay.
But this is a great opportunity I think to separate. Right now we're buying the cleaning supplies and we can't get the stuff because we don't have that kind of license to get. So it's just we can't even get wipes right now.
Yeah.
And she asked me to order that stuff and get Lysol, and I'm just like, I don't know where to find it. Yeah. Right. So anyway. Mop bucket and mops because we have used ceramic powder for the 3D printing that we do, and it leaves streaking on our lobby floor. Got it. So I guess maybe we'll probably have this. I'll see if there's a way we can keep your supplies back here. I know a lot of these are the mop heads I ordered for her. She keeps a lot of stuff back here right now. So probably this area will be where you could keep your stuff if needed.
So there's a different, sounds like there's a different mop that you
use
for
fact,
out here.
That this is the one they use for out here now.
Now, you did mention something about fogging treatment as well.
Right, now for the initial thing, because we're opening back up, he just told me May 1st.
Thinking about an initial deep clean plus fogging treatment just in the areas that we talked about, not out there in that floor area, right? If you think you want it also in that area out there as far as the fogging, that could be okay. If you could just give me the square footage of what that is, and then I can just kind of calculate what that would be.
It's 10,000.
It's 10,000 square feet.
Just whole warehouse.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so I'll make note of that, and then I can just give you a price as far as the deep cleaning and fogging for in here.
Right, yeah.
And then plus back there.
I think you talked about this. The only other catch would be they could come after hours, but somebody has to be here. So if they could come closer to 5. Yeah. No, I would say no later than 5. Well, really, I guess 5 is the ideal time. If they're gonna need 2 hours, that somebody will have to stay. But we don't want to go too much earlier than 5, and in the event they're having a meeting that day, and there's people in the conference room and stuff like that.
Okay, guys. So you prefer 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. And so the person that was cleaning it before, I guess currently, was it just one person? Was it 2 ladies or gentlemen?
So she was coming by. It was one person, but she would bring a family member or something to help her out.
Got it.
I mean, it's through a company. I came on less than a year ago, and they were already using someone, and I don't know if they were friends with the last girl that was here, or you might
Yes,
want to.
for the initial deep clean, yes, we'll probably want 2 people. So I'll give you a price for one, the initial deep clean, and then the price for 2 days a week doing this like a standard cleaning, and then a price for fuming that area back there.
Right. And this area.
And this area.
So we definitely want to fume the office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what is do you know square footage of all of this?
This is 2,500.
2,500.
The office space is 25, and then the warehouse is 10,000.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so that's all I need to know.
I guess that's it. I guess I do. It just seems like it's more to touch on, but it seems like you guys. Oh, so we supply trash bag. What do we need to supply?
So the trash bag and the paper products.
Okay.
So anything that goes inside the bathrooms, toilet tissue, paper towels, and then the trash bag.
Okay, but you guys will put that stuff out.
Yes, as
Okay,
long as
okay.
it's there.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as you know where it is,
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, and
And
we'll supply all of our supplies. Now, I always tell people if there's something like a special type of cleaner, because some people are like, I only like to use this.
right.
If you want to give that to us to use, fine.
Right.
If not, we'll use what we have.
The only thing is that this floor is weird.
Okay, let's talk about it.
So-
Vinegar and water goes a long way,
Okay.
and it's safe, and you don't have to worry about it ruining anything.
Mm-hmm.
So we can try that. Were you happy with the results when she was using the vinegar and water?
Normally do. and
Okay.
If the floor doesn't look good, then
We'll
we'll
just say
make
vinegar and
adjustments.
water.
Right.
Okay, that's fine.
Right.
Okay.
What about cobwebs in corners? Like, what is that?
Yeah, and we typically we try to do those like usually if you're vacuuming and stuff like that, usually can get sucked up in the vacuum.
Okay.
So usually, yeah, that stuff should get sucked up in the vacuum. And like when we do our deep clean, like I see some cobwebs up there, we'll go ahead and try to knock those cobwebs up down in there too.
Try to come and get in those corners.
Oh
back
yeah.
behind the
Oh
counter.
yeah. Oh yeah.
And right, and she like never. She don't even bother with it. So it's just like okay.
And does all this come from outside? This is all from outside?
Yeah, it comes into that little hole.
Oh wow. Well, I think that's everything. Unless you have any other questions for me, I don't want to
No,
rush.
that's it. No, that's
Okay.
fine.
All right, perfect. So I will send you a proposal probably at the latest Monday.
Okay.
And then I'll have all the information. I'll just go back to my video and grab all the information. And if you have any questions in between time, give me a call or send me an email.
Okay, great.
Good.
Okay, well, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay guys, all finished. I think that went pretty well. I got a lot of my questions answered. There were some parts of the building that I wasn't actually able to film in, so I had to cut the camera off a little bit, but I got a lot of my questions answered, was able to film a good amount, so wish me luck.